Okay, let me go ahead and show you guys how to use the code cog for the assignment. So the first thing, you're gonna go on your Google search engine and you can type code cog. You go ahead and write it for you, code cogs. I'm doing the search, and the first one gonna say equation editor code cogs, and I'm also gonna send you the link. Click on it, and you should see something like this. So what I want you guys to be able to do for your assignment is use this to type like some specific syntax for your math, like anything has to do with exponent, square root, and we don't have a math editor on our Google form yet, so we can use this just to import the code. So let me give you a tutorial on certain equation or expression you can write. Okay, if you look on the left, we got the expression x cubed. This time we need to put a power on top. So the code cogs have a palette that have different syntax that you can use. So since we're trying to do an exponent, I'm gonna just point out some of them where they are located, and you can follow these to be able to type your expression. So if I need to put an exponent on top, so this is the first symbol right here. When I click right here, it expands the palette to more options. But what we want the x with a power. So that's what I'm using. So if I want to do x cubed, so I can start typing x, and I'm gonna go over here and select this one with the exponent, and it's gonna give me the curly braces right here, and I can put the 3 for the exponent. And you can see if you type it right, because you're gonna have this what you're looking for showing up here at the bottom, and I'm pointing out right here at the bottom where it says x cubed. So what I type here would be x cubed. So for your assignment, if your answer for your problem is x cubed, all you will have to do for me is highlight, copy this. You can right click to copy, and then paste it in your answer part. If it is a question I ask you to type the answer, now paste it, and that's what I want you to type. So you're gonna look like this, it will be fine. It's not gonna give me the picture, that's okay. I don't need to have the exact one with a nice exponent on top. I want to have this syntax. So that's what I expect to see. Next example, let's say that we have to do the fraction 2/5. So 2/5, this time I need a fraction. Let me delete this. So fraction will be the next one right here. So if I need to type a fraction, I'll go ahead and click on fraction, and it's gonna give me a bar that says frac, and I'm gonna have the 2 curly braces. So each one of them, one is for numerator and the other one is for denominator. Each one represents something different. So over here I will put 2/5, and this is my fraction. That's what I'm looking for. Oh, I need to see the fraction 2/5. That was my answer. I need to type the fraction 2/5. So I type this code in, and it gave me that fraction. So I'll go ahead and highlight, copy, right click to copy, and then I will paste it. Right click, and I'm gonna paste it. And there it is. So if you had a question where your answer is a fraction, you can just type this for me, and I'll know that it means, oh, it's the fraction 2/5. Okay, now one of your next assignment, which has to do with the geometric sequence, and the 2 questions ask you to use code cogs, and the reason for that is because the expression you're probably gonna have to type will look like something like this. I'm not saying this is the answer. I say it might look like something like this for you to write, because you need to be able to do a subscript, and you need to do a superscript. So if I need to type this expression, a and the little n at the bottom equal 5 and then -3 and exponent n minus 1, this is how you will type it. I'm going back to code cog on this side. I'm gonna delete this. Delete this expression. Now we're gonna do it. So this time it's the same pattern for the exponent. So instead of having the exponent on top, you see in the a on top of the x, I'm gonna select the one where it's at the bottom. So I'll start with the same way. I'm gonna start typing a, and let me select it. And I'm gonna select this one. And this time we have an underscore, but underscore line showing up. I'm gonna put n, one n, I'm sorry. So once I do that, I'm starting to have my expression. It should pop up in a minute. So let me keep on writing, equal, you see it here at the bottom, a sub n. I got the little n at the bottom. And I know I'm trying to type 5, I'll put 5, parentheses, open my parentheses. It did it for me automatically. I use the parentheses on the keyboard. Some of you will try to use these parentheses, that's fine, but I would suggest you use the one on the keyboard if it's just a regular parentheses you write it. So I use that, -3. So now I need to put the exponent. Now that n minus 1 is on top, so I will go right here, exponent, and inside the curly braces I'm going to put the n minus 1. And when I look down here, this is the expression I'm looking for. That's what I wanted to type. That's my answer. So it's 5 parentheses minus 3 and n minus 1. So for your answer, you would copy this. Copy. I right click to copy, or we can do Control C to copy, and I'm going to paste it. That's what I'm going to see for your answer. Even though it look like that, I'll know that you met a sub n equals 5 minus 3 exponent n minus 1. Now I type the same answer down here. There's the only difference between this one on top and this one at the bottom is that little dot, which sometimes you guys see, which represent multiplication. If you want to type it with the multiplication, I'm gonna do it right here. Let me delete all this and the code cog. It's the same thing. So you know you will start with A. So, A, and I'm gonna do the sub n, this one, n equal 5, but I need to put the dot now. There goes the dot right here. So I click on that dot. Say, see that dot. Don't worry about what pop up after, and we continue. -3. And you can see it's starting to look like it. And all I need now is the exponent. So after the parentheses, I'm going to go back here, press the exponent, and I can put my n minus 1. And there it is. That's the one with the dot. If you prefer to have it nice looking with the dot, you do the same thing. Copy, paste, and there it is. All of these are okay with me. All of these are fine. I'm not going into the other one as far as the square root, but you can go ahead and spend some time on it. If I'm going to give you an assignment where you're going to have to type other expression, I'll make sure to send you a video before then, just to give you a practice on how you're going to type your answer. So right now, you guys should know how to type a geometric sequence using the subscript and the superscript. You see? All right. Thank you very much.